Please refer to section 4.2.1 in the IOM for details on zero trim. This is a method to calibrate the sensor input as the new zero input reference. Please note that the transmitter must be within 5% of the span away from zero in order to calibrate with zero trim function. Click on the enhanced method specially designed to guide the user through the procedure. Like any other method, the first screen is a warning message for the user to remove the device from automatic control. Press Next after the action is complete. The user is given a warning before starting the zero calibration, as this will affect the sensor calibration that is done at the factory. Press Next. This screen asks the user to apply the new zero to the sensor. Press Next after applying the zero pressure. The input will try to stabilize and check if the value is within the allowable zero range. If it found OK, it will be applied as the new sensor zero and the screen would say that the method is successful. If the new value is not found to be OK, then the screen would display an appropriate message for the user. For example, the value is too high. After the calibration is successful, device may be returned to automatic control. Press Finish to acknowledge the completion of method.